Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check your Mac model and Mac OS version and confirm the SanDisk SSD capacity. Connect the SSD with a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable or the correct adapter. Make sure the drive gets power and appears in Finder. Once connected, open Disk Utility and locate the SanDisk device in the sidebar. You're doing this now because formatting choices depend on your use: Time Machine, File Sharing, or Bootable Drive, so pick the right scheme before erasing. With Disk Utility open, select the SanDisk SSD and click Erase. Choose apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS Extended, journaled for older systems. Make sure the scheme is GUID partition map. This enables bootability and Mac OS compatibility. If you need dual use, create partitions now. Name each volume, pick formats apps for Mac OS, XFAT for Windows compatibility, then apply. Once formatting completes, confirm the drive mounts in Finder and check free space. This ensures the SSD is ready. Now migrate your files using Migration Assistant, Time Machine, or simple drag and drop. You'll see transfers finish in Finder and in the progress bar. After copying, run Disk Utility's first aid on the SanDisk to verify health and repair minor issues. This helps prevent future read/write errors. If the SSD does not mount, make sure to try another cable or port, disconnect other devices, and if needed, reformat the drive on a different Mac. If problems persist, contact SanDisk support or consider drive replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.